Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a quick and easy way to turn off the beep sound on your microwave. Those beeps can be really annoying, especially late at night or early in the morning. So let's get started. The first thing you should do is check your microwave's user manual. Some microwaves have specific instructions for disabling the beep sound. If you don't have the manual handy, don't worry, we'll cover some general methods that work on many models. Some microwaves have a dedicated sound or beep button. This is usually the easiest way to turn off the sound. Look for a button that says sound, beep, or has a speaker icon. Press the sound button. You might need to hold it down for a few seconds or press it repeatedly until the display shows that the sound is off. Give it a try. If your microwave doesn't have a dedicated sound button, you can usually find an option in the Settings or Options menu. Look for a button that says Settings, Options, or Menu. Press the Settings or Options button. Use the arrow keys or dial to scroll through the menu until you find the sound settings. Select the option to turn off the beep. This might be labeled as sound, beep, or volume. On some microwaves, you might need to press a combination of buttons. Common combinations include holding down the stop or clear button along with another button. Check your microwave's brand and model for specific instructions. If you've tried all these methods and the beep is still on, it might be time to contact customer support. They can provide you with specific instructions for your microwave model. And that's it, you've successfully turned off the beep on your microwave.